Huda Beauty or One Size Beauty a better makeup brand? We're about to find out in a new series called Battle of the Brands. This series, I'll be comparing two makeup brands on each side of my face that I think have a similar vibe. We have a full face of One Size and a full face of Huda Beauty, so let's get started. I'm gonna start off with primer on the One Size side. Both of these are supposed to be blurring primers. For the One Size, we have the One Size Secure the Blur. I actually love this primer. It literally blurs and mattifies your skin so well. The One Size side, we're going in with the Turn Up the Base foundation. You guys, this is so full coverage. I feel like she's a little thick on the skin, but she covers. Size, unfortunately, doesn't make cream contour yet, so we're just going in with my normal cream contour. The One Size cream blush side, we're gonna go in with the Cheek Clapper blush trio. This comes with a cream blush, a powder blush, and a sparkly blush, so you get 3 in 1. And with the cream side, and baby, these are pigmented. A little bit goes a long way, and this color is absolutely stunning. Concealer on the One Size side, we're going in with this concealer. It's a little more yellow than I would like, but we're gonna work with her. And I just realized that both the brands I'm comparing are like celebrity influencer brands. That's so interesting. Here's how we're looking with all of our One Size creams laid down and with no makeup. You guys let me know what you're thinking so far, but now we have to move on to powder, and One Size and Huda have iconic powders. This is gonna be a battle. One Size setting powder, we're going in with the ultra pink, and you guys look at how pink this powder is. It is super pink, but it looks so pretty and smoothing on the under eye. For One Size bronzer, we're gonna go in with this bronzing trio. I actually had to go pick this up from Sephora this morning because I realized I didn't have one, but it's super interesting. It comes with a warm tone, a neutral tone, and a cool tone bronzer. I like that idea. Mixed all three of them and just gonna go ahead and start tapping it in, and right away you can see that pigment. I think I remember people saying these are a little bit too pigmented, but I like it. Our powder blush, dipping back into that One Size blush trio in the shade Cheek Clapper. This is such a gorgeous, vibrant pink blush. Like, look at the difference. Moving on to eyes for Miss One Size. Here is the palette we have. I honestly haven't used this in so long, but let's see what I can come up with. I'm in with this shimmer right here, and I know this eyeshadow palette is super old, but I feel like Patrick needs to come out with another palette with shimmers because you guys, these shimmers are not cutting it. For mascara on One Size, we're going in with the Fantasize mascara. Honestly, no complaints about this mascara. Like I've said before, I don't really care about mascaras, and I feel like it does what it needs to. Now with the One Size lip liner in the shade Prime Fish. I haven't really used the One Size lip liners that much, but I feel like they work pretty good. I definitely would not pick this color, but it was the only one I had. And to top it off, we have this liquid matte lip and then a gloss duo. This is such a cool concept. I love it. The matte liquid lip and now the gloss. And you guys, why is this lip combo actually kind of eating? Like, she's pretty. Almost done. Now we just need setting spray. Of course, we have to go in with One Size's probably most iconic product. This is the Until Dawn setting spray. And when I tell you this setting spray will literally last you through a hurricane, it will. And this is one side of my face done with One Size Beauty. Now, if you want to see how the Huda Beauty side looks and which side is going to win the makeup battle, go to part 2 now.